How to say Reels on Instagram broadcast channel. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you share Reels on Instagram broadcast channel. So let's get started. First, as you have to confirm that you have the updated version of Instagram on your device. For that, open up the App Store or Play Store. After you open App Store, in the source field, search for Instagram. After you find any update of Instagram, simply tap on the update option. After you update latest version of Instagram on your device, simply open the Instagram app with your account. After you open Instagram, from your you'll have to just select or open the reel whom you want to share on your Instagram broadcast channel. Alright, after you open up a new reel, simply tap on the share icon just at the bottom right. And from here, tap on the option copy link at the bottom right. After you copy the link of reel, you'll have to just come on the home page and from here at the top right, tap on message icon. From here, you'll have to just select or open your broadcast channel. Right now, I'm opening random conversation. After you open conversation, simply in the send message section, you'll have to just paste the link of that Instagram reel. After you paste it, tap on send icon. And from this way, you can simply send any Instagram reels on your podcast channel. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.